Hi everyone, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to show you how to write the lowercase letter A. So let me start by writing my name at the top, Jeremy. So the lowercase letter A is a plain line round letter. It starts on the plain line. So let's point to the plain line here. We go back around the plain line and then down to the grass line and back up to the plain line. Then trace back down to the grass line. Okay, let's try with red again. Let's go to trace these letters. Start at the plain line, curve back on the plain line, go down to the grass line, curve back up, and trace back down. Okay, plain line, go back, curve around on the grass line, back up to the plain line, and down, straight down. Okay, start at the plain line, curve around, down to the grass line, back up to the plain line, and straight down. Okay, start at the plain line, curve around, down to the grass line, back up to the plain line, and down. Okay, plain line, curve around, go down to the grass line. Oh, you know what? I didn't really like how I didn't go far enough down. Let me try that one again. Okay, start at the plain line, curve down around to the grass line, back up to the plain line, and down the side there. Okay, switching to blue. Start at the plain line, curve down around to the black grass line, straight down to the grass line again. Okay, start at the plain line, curve around backwards to the grass, back up to the plain line, and down a little tail for the A. Okay, one more. Circle around backwards down to the grass line, back up to the plain line, and a line down to the grass line. Okay, that's how you practice the lowercase letter A. Thank you for practicing with me.